Hey, what's up you guys? Thanks for tuning in and welcome to John's Moto Garage. This is where we buy and sell motorcycles. Today I'm doing a walk around and cold start on this 2014 Yamaha Star Bolt 950. I love these bikes. This is the 5th or 6th one that I've owned. As soon as it came out back in 2014, I knew I had to get my hands on one as soon as I got a good deal. And they never disappoint. So let's jump into it. Again, 2014 Star Bolt 950cc. Starting out with the engine, 950, comes out to like 58 cubic inch. This one's got aftermarket K&N air filter and air intake. 2-in-1 exhaust. This has an aftermarket Python slip-on. We'll start her up in a bit so you can listen to it. These are air-cooled, fuel injected. You got a belt drive. Of course, disc brakes, front and rear. 12-spoke alloy cast wheel. Bam, beefy front head tubes, easy maneuverability. Yamaha did an awesome job sticking to the minimalist bobber look on these bikes. Definitely an answer to the Harley Iron 883 Sportsters, appealing to the younger generation, us millennials, iGen. Yeah, I don't know if iGen can quite handle it. We'll see. This one's got the aftermarket ape hangers. Not my personal favorite, but they're not too bad. Check out YouTube videos. There are people wheeling on these stock. I'm not saying I can pull it off, but I've seen it. Looks pretty dope. Of course, you've got the mid controls. Pretty low seat height. I think it's like 27.2. You got the small peanut tank. These are not for touring, obviously. This is for cruising around, bar hopping, zipping through the neighborhood, causing ruckus. It's a Yamaha Bolt. These things are a complete blast. Let's go ahead and start it up. See how she sounds. Warning, turn down the volume if you don't want to blow out your eardrums. Alright, there you have it, my friends. 2014 Yamaha Star Bolt 950. If you haven't already, check out my other videos. I show you where I picked up the bike. We go over what I paid for it and how much I think it's worth. As always, if you dig the content, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit me up with a comment below. And we'll hit you guys up on the next one. Adios.